Hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to actually apply these settings I changed. So let me just change all the settings to the low, and if I hit apply, you can see in the background the graphic quality is changed to low, and if I set them all to epic and apply, you can see the grass, you can see the shadows, you can see higher resolution textures, images, everything. So let me again change it back to low, apply, and start the game. Now see, there are no shadows, no grass, so we are running in the low settings. Right, so let's see how to implement this system today. And this episode is sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support. Right, so this is what we have at the moment. When I go to the options and graphic, when I go to the settings, under graphics I have these things, and for the display, audio and gameplay I haven't worked on those settings yet. So first I'm gonna finish with this part. So here we have a back button, so I need 3 more buttons: back, apply, and reset to default. Those are the usual buttons we can see in any game. So right, let me open the graphic option widget. Here it is. Where I have the back button. Widget options. Right here, I'll slightly change the back button like this to match the layout. That's not really important anyway. So position X maybe minus 350, minus 200. Right, and the other buttons, reset to default and apply, I'm gonna put them, well, let's add them just like the back button. So let me duplicate this. btn reset, and change the text to reset. This should be capital. Reset to default. Oh, that's long. Right, it's okay for now. Let me again duplicate this, and another button, btn apply. Text should be changed to apply. Right, now I'll create another horizontal box. Place it like this. So the button size is 50, so I'll set the horizontal box size also to 50, and let's anchor it to the bottom right, and alignment 1 1. First make them 0 0. Where is it? Why did it become so small? Right. Okay. Okay. Now I'll put all these buttons inside it. Apply, reset, and back buttons. Okay. Now let's have a padding in between. Not enough. 50. Okay. I think it would be better if we align this to the right edge. So yeah, this seems fine. So as you can see, I have changed the font here because it was kind of not clear, but I will definitely change to match this later to something of a matching font for all of these letters, all of this text. But for now, let's proceed like this. One more thing, I think we should make these letters bold. Okay, so now we have those buttons. Let's check. We have apply, back, reset to default. When I press back, it goes to the main menu, and we have the buttons for all the windows. Back works in the same way. Okay, right. Now these buttons are apply, reset to default, back is okay. These buttons are in the widget options, but this apply and reset to default should happen within this graphic option panel or display option panel, audio or gameplay option panel. So to communicate between the option widget and the graphic option and any other option panel, we need a common interface, but we can't really implement an interface here. So wait, we can here, right? So let's create the interface. BPI options panel, and here I'm going to define apply and reset, two functions, and let's implement the BPI option panel here, and apply, we can implement apply and reset here like this. Now from the not here, I have to implement it in the graphic options. Now apply. Reset. Okay, now we can implement the apply logic and the reset logic here, and from the options widget, now when we press apply button or reset to default button, we have to call these two functions, apply and reset functions events for the active option panel. So it could be graphics, display, audio, or gameplay. So how do we identify the active panel? Yeah, here we have this selected option category when we call open panel. So let's just promote this to variable and set it when we open the panel. Then let's select the reset button, and we can get these reference to this graphic option, display option, audio options, and gameplay option. Let me duplicate this for, and we can call reset, and we can select based on the selected option category like this. Oh, sorry, reset. What's the object type? Select. Oh, we need to change this to a common widget reference. So how do we do that? Well, let me again do a select, and can we change this? Yeah, change pin type to user widget object reference. Now we should be able to connect any of them. Yeah, right. Now we can call reset using VPI options panel interface like this. And similarly we can call the apply button as well. btn apply. Here we have to get the selected panel and call apply using BPI options panel. Interface. Right. Now we need to implement apply and reset functions. So let's start with the graphic options. So here, how do we apply each of these settings? Okay, now where should we implement the actual logic of graphic setting apply? Yeah, I think we should do that in the game instance, because we need to save these settings as well, and I'm also doing some load save stuff through the game instance. Yeah, so here let's add another custom event for like VPI game instance. Okay, let's add a new function, apply graphics settings. Okay, now here let's implement it. So we need oh, I can't see that. We need graphics quality, anti-aliasing, shadow quality, texture quality, foliage quality, post processing, view distance. That's all for now. Let me take a screenshot of this and put this aside for reference. So graphics quality, this when I change this, it basically changes everything below. So let's start with anti-aliasing. Right, so we can get game views settings first, then set anti-aliasing quality. Oh, I have two functions. Get. Okay, right, so the value, this has to be promoted to a parameter. First one is anti-aliasing, the next one is shadow quality. Set shadow quality. This is also between 0 and 4. Okay, the other one is texture quality. Let's make this a little neat. set texture quality. Okay, and the other one is set foliage quality. And other one is post process quality. What next? View distance. Okay, now let's add these parameters. So these are like integers, right? Apply graphic settings, input in the type of integer. First one is anti-aliasing, next one is shadow quality, texture quality, and foliage quality, and post process quality, and post process quality. Finally, view distance. What kind of a value do we need for view distance? Same as 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is cinematic. Okay, but we only have 3 options: low, medium, high, and epic. So we are not really using cinematic options, so 0 to 3. Okay, refresh. Right, connect anti-aliasing here, shadow quality here, texture quality here, foliage quality here, post process and view distance. Oh wait, why these are not changed? Right, finally view distance. Right, compile. Now go back to the widget options, graphic options, and here. So we need, from the anti-aliasing option, we need to get the value. Actually we don't have such option yet, so let's go to option line. Here let's implement a function to get selected value. No, get selected level, because selected value I have used here as text, and this should have a return type of integer. selected level. Right, now actually we have the level here, we can just return it. Okay, now in here get selected level. Can we change this to a PO function? Yeah, so we don't need to connect it to a execution line in here. Right, from the anti-aliasing get anti-aliasing and get foliage quality, we can get the foliage quality. Wait, get game instance, apply graphic settings. First one is anti-aliasing, foliage quality comes here. Second one is shadow, Control W. Third one is texture, fourth one is we need more space, post process. And view distance. Can we align this? Right, much better. Okay. And that should be all. Now can we test it? The graphic option, if we change, let's change everything to low and see if we can actually see the difference. Do I see the difference? No, I don't think I can see the difference. Let me just change it in here to low. It should be like this, no shadows. Okay, let me change back. Right, Alright, we also have another function called apply settings. All current user settings to the game saves to the permanent storage. What does it apply? Right, let's connect this at the end. So there is another option called apply non-resolution settings, but let's see if this works by first connecting just apply settings. Let me again change them all back to low and apply. Alright, now it is applied actually. See, no more shadows, no more grass. Okay, so that is working. Let's test again with the and we have to also implement a system to load the existing settings as well, but we will look into that in another episodes maybe. See, now it is working. Right, back. Okay, cool. Now that part is working, and I'm gonna stop this episode right here. So in the next episode, let's look into how to reset it to default, and also how to load the settings, load previously saved settings to the graphic options. And thanks for watching. So if you would like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. Link would be in the description below, and also the project files will be available for the downloads. And see you in another episode. Goodbye.